What's going on, guys? So just made it to the Cecil County dragway up here, and there's a bunch of dope cars. We just rolled in and seen a demon just kill a Ferrari, a 458 or 488, and I was like, damn, all that money wasted, gone. But we got the 2018 Mustang and a Caddy. Hear the cams chopping a little bit, so a lot of more people showed up. Got this clean Audi R8. Damn. Seems like he has some add-ons on there. Got these HR8 wheels. Yeah, damn. That front end is aggressive. Look at that. Real aggressive. Looks nice. Sexy HREs. HREs look nice. Clean. Got the red interior. Looks dope. But this thing is low, sitting nice too. Nice Audi R8. Got some more cars that showed up over here. We got this Hellcat right here. Looks real nice. Real nice and dope. Clean. Got the Ferradas on there too. Nice. Look how freaking concave that is. Ridiculous. Crazy concave wheels in this Charger. The Hellcat logo right there. Nice. Rare key. That's funny. And then you got a demon right here. Damn. Looks nice. Crazy. Crazy. Now, you guys of course know this is not a headlight right there. Got this Charger right here with the halos. Look nice. Mean, clean. Looks real nice. All blacked out. Looks real nice. Sitting right. This is a little bit different than just regular Honda stuff, but hey man, gotta switch it up sometimes. Got a lot of muscle cars here, so you gotta appreciate car enthusiasts, gotta appreciate all cars. And then you got this, this gloss red wrap Charger. It's like a chrome. Looks nice. Oh my god, I like that carbon fiber lip that goes with the floor of the bumper. Looks real nice. Looks real nice. But that sun, woo, that light hitting right there blinding me. Looks real nice. Got the SRT badge in red as well. Looks nice. Then you got some AG wheels. Look like two-piece wheels. Look nice. Looks real nice. Damn, this red chrome is blinding, guys. It's blinding. But it looks real nice. Roof spoiler. Trunk. We got the Huracan over here, chilling, wrap. Big money. See you out here. Got one of the new 5.0s. Nice. Clean. Got the Ferrari. The Ferrari that got ate by that demon. And you got this nice BMW right here. Clean. I like the headlights. Headlights look mean. Real mean. I like the theme going on. It looks real nice. Oh, somebody's been doing some burnouts. Somebody's definitely been doing burnouts back here. But this is real nice and aggressive. The Lambo. This color looks amazing. This thing in person definitely looks like a spaceship. Jeez. Looks dope. This thing is wide. We're on the drag strip, open it up. But this definitely looks like a spaceship in person. It's really long, but Sideways is really small, so it's dope. Oh, I'll follow this guy. What's this guy? Will Motivation. Dope. It's dope. He's usually in Florida, but I guess he's up here. Dope. Nice Huracan. Huracan looks nice. Oh, looks like a jet engine inside there. Got all the switches. Got the red switch, lift up, engine start. Clean, guys. Got the GoPros. Got the GoPros and everything. Looks real nice. But yeah, guys, this guy has some dope videos. Will Motivation. Follow him on YouTube as well. He's a realtor. He got like a bunch of tips and tricks and motivational thing. It's dope. He has a dope channel, so I'll post his link in the description so you guys can check it out. Definitely dope. The demon that ate the Ferrari earlier. Yeah, this thing, I was like, dang, this one is gone. Ferrari had no chance. No chance. Ate that Ferrari up. But I see a lot of people out here have a bunch of YouTube channels. Pretty dope. GMC rides. Dope. But this thing has some different radios on the back than the stock is, but this thing definitely hooks up. But yeah, definitely Will Motivation. He definitely has a dope channel. Check out a lot of his videos. Very inspirational. Got this charger right here, right? Looks nice. You got the tire letters with these wheels, two-piece wheels. Look nice. Got a concave look to it. The wrap looks freaking sick. Looks nice. Got the carbon fiber diffuser. It's right here. It looks nice. I got the little crash bar in front of it. Got the demon eyes in red. Supercharger whining, guys. Thing sounds nasty. Yep. Okay. It's gone on the left hand side. 1110 and 1291. So I guess Will Motivation and this demon's about to go up and head. Screaming V10. What is that? 1094? Oh, 1054 and 1131. Crazy. 1054 in the Lambo.
That's gotta be my next ride. I gotta get one of those.
You gotta get one of those next? He said he gotta get a Lambo next. He said, demon ain't cutting. Oh no. The brand was one of the new CTSVs. Oh man. My man got the saran wrap in the rear. But this is one of the new CTSVs. As you guys can see. Damn, the numbers ain't come up. Oh, look, it's Will Motivation.
You can't always believe everything you see, you hear, man. What's on the hood? Tell the story.
And then they talking about this guy's demonology, and they're about to race. He's been talking a lot of crap to Will Motivation about, yeah, he's gonna smoke him. So this is gonna be funny. I'm gonna record it for you guys. It's gonna be funny. This Hellcat looks nice. These wheels. It's dope. So Will Motivation, he's a realtor. He has a bunch of other side businesses and different stuff like that, which is pretty dope. He actually lives in, I thought he lives in Florida, but he actually lives in Columbus, Ohio. So I just talked to him. He said he came out to the event from Ohio to come out here to go to Cecil Driveway, which is pretty dope. Pretty dope. He said he came out here to support Mod2Fame, which is pretty dope. So.
Real motivation. Your soul has been acquired.
I'm coming.
Not yet.
Let's go.
Hey, we not changing the tree. I heard about your tricks.
Well, what you want? You want a full tree?
I want the standard
Pro sportsman tree?
Yeah. Standard tree. Ready? All right, so we're gonna race demonology.
So which one I get? I get the loser or the winner?
They talking stuff. Oh, he said, which one do I get?
I need to know. Right.
He's about to raise real motivation. Oh boy.
Driver's side facing over to the front angle.
He's been talking crap, man. He's been talking crap, man. I want to see this. This is gonna be good. Cause he just ran, Wilmovich just ran a 10:54, and I think they were saying that he ran like a 10:01 or some crazy thing like that. Crazy, almost 9 seconds. We got another demon right here. Another demon.
Wanna go? All right, I'm gonna get a drink now.
Can't wait to see when they run and see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Put in the comment box below, who do you guys think will win? Uh-oh. Got the demon out. Uh-oh. They said he's been snatching souls. That's what they've been saying. Demonology been out here snatching souls, so we'll see. Will's like, he's not gonna snatch my soul today. Not today, I'm not gonna leave that slide, so let's see what happens. This will be good. Alright, here comes demonology, guys. Demonology and real motivation. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Demon's been lifting up, guys. Yeah, he's gonna light them things up. It was born to do it. Like it was born to do it.
Thank you.
Like it was born to do it. Let's see. Watch that thing lift up the demon. Keep an eye on the demon. Demonology got him. I think it was like 10:37, and the Lambo ran like a 10:67. Jeez, golly. Maybe the camera will pick it up, but jeez, he turned on his hazards and everything. Oh, he still want to turn on his hazards. Wow. Damn. So Demonology beat him. Damn. Demonology. Here he pulls up.
See me? I'm like, no. Right. I asked him like 3 times. Like, yo,
Pulls up.
what? Hey,
Y'all running right back. That's 2 out of 3.
I gotta put some more gas in.
Oh, okay. Y'all gonna do it back? Alright, that's what's up. Yeah, that's old school. That's old school.
Close, man. So close.
Hey,
that was close.
they're running back. That's 2 out of 3.
I was on that ass.
You were. He bet you on the line. He got you on the line. And then hey, it was a wrap. Oh, I see. Like I say, if you had a little bit more track, you'd have got him. But you got to get that launch together.
What did you run? What does he run?
10-5.
10.56.
Hey,
Damn.
you're going to run it back. You're going to put some gas in. I need another camera. My shit dead. All right.
Good deal, Will. Good to see you, Will. Good
In that bag.
What's going on, guys? So definitely that is crazy to see the Lamborghini and Demon go head to head, and the freaking both cars run 10 seconds. That is ridiculous. That's my first time, and crazy in person to see the Huracan, a Lamborghini Huracan, run 10 seconds down the drag strip. That is crazy. And it was a close race as well, so it was really close. But I cannot believe that car actually ran a 10-second honestly, the Huracan, I've been watching a lot of videos on like Lamborghini Huracan, and the Lamborghini Huracan kind of reminds me of Hondas or my car. For example, a lot of people have been supercharging and twin turboing the Huracan, and the motor handles the power really good and amazing, and people beat the hell out of the car, and the car still holds up overall. So definitely, I gotta give it to Lamborghini with the new Huracan. They definitely did a hell of a job. I would definitely love to get a Huracan one day, because they definitely can take a beating, and the reliability is freaking amazing for the Huracan. If you guys like this video, I'm gonna definitely do more videos of overall different cars, not just of course my car, but different like cars overall, genre of cars. Doesn't matter, muscle, exotic, tuner, etc, etc, it doesn't matter. But definitely it was dope seeing a bunch of high-end cars go head to head down the drag strip and see the outcome overall in person. That was really amazing and different overall. But definitely guys, if you guys like this video, smash the like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. More new content is definitely on the way. But that's it for the video guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.